Water is taking to our homes. We are people becoming homeless. It's part of the Nigerian community. You can't just believe what is happening here now. Yeah, people becoming homeless. The water. No, don't belong there. Let's come in. Jelly, okay. Jelly really season. So this morning just been raining all around. We just got falling. Before 6, just raining. We have not ceased. Yeah. So everywhere just flooded. Yeah. Water is now trying to disturb the community dwellers. So we find that to even get a road here is not easy. Yeah, to even get a road here is not easy. Yeah, everywhere just ugly. Yeah, it's not just easy. It's just been raining all along, everywhere. We falling. No. I don't even know say why I pass here. Yeah, I'm not too sure that I'll get a road here, but however, I'll still manage it. Yeah, I'll still manage somewhere here to get a road. Yeah, I think this place will be good for me. Yeah, so you see, the entire community just flooded. Yeah, everywhere just flooded. I even believe that some houses here, yeah, water have taken control over the area, the entire places. Yeah. This is my community road. So to even get home, yeah, sometimes I find it difficult. Sometimes I don't really know where to pass. Yeah, so I don't just know the way out here where I'll be able to cross here. I don't know. Yeah, I don't just know. Yeah, I think I can go this place here. No, I don't know. I don't know where I'll go here. Yeah. So I don't know where I'll get a road here. Getting a road here is somehow, yeah, it's very worrisome, you know. Yeah, I don't just know where I'll pass here. Yeah. Well, I think I can walk in the water here. Yeah, no problem. I can walk in the water. Yeah, I can walk in the water. Yeah, it's not bad. We'll walk through the water here. Shit. Yeah, I just know we'll find it difficult here. Yeah. So this is Amargashie community that I'm in right now. Yeah, I'm right here, right around the Amargashie community. So I'm just walking through out. Yeah, trying to get on the island. Yeah, I'm just somewhere here trying to get on the island. But since today just been raining, yeah, just been raining, so I don't even know where I'll go here. Okay, however, I'll manage it. Yeah, however, I'll manage it, so we will still make it, yeah. Everywhere just flood. I was just somewhere around the Peace Island. I saw the place that the water there was so terrible. Yeah, the water there was so terrible. Every part, the water just terrible. Water just disturbing everybody. Yeah, since this morning, it's just been raining. Water disturbing everybody here. Yeah, so it has not been easy. Just been raining. Yeah. So yeah, move on. Yeah. Today is a rainy day, even though. So, trying to get on the island to see how Amargashie Island is like.
But wait, I was saying I'll be flogging you today.
Today has been a rainy day, so everybody trying to get home. Everybody trying to get home because of the rain. Everybody just escaping the rain. Everybody just escaping the rain, trying to get home. So, let me see how the island is like. So I have to go on the island right now. Yeah. I have to try to visit the island right now to get there and see how this will be like.